Why atoms cannot be observed by ordinary optical microscope. To see an object, किसी भी चीज को देखने के लिए the wavelength of light should be smaller or equal to the size of object. लाइट की वेवलेंथ या तो उस ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज के बराबर होनी चाहिए या उससे छोटी होनी चाहिए. In an ordinary optical microscope, wavelength of light used is in the region of 400 to 800 nanometer, which is the visible region. Atoms are much smaller than 400 nanometer. Atoms 400 nanometer से बहुत छोटे होते हैं, इसलिए visible light से नहीं देखे जा सकते. Ordinary optical microscope can measure the size of an object up to or above 500 nanometer only. Hence, a clear and accurate image of object that is smaller than the wavelength of visible light cannot be obtained. Since atoms are much smaller than 500 nanometer, so they cannot be seen with optical microscope.